Dads are humble creatures, aren't they? Never ask for much, never shop for themselves, never splash out, and never expect you to either. Not on his behalf. But that's what would make it so meaningful if you did. If you dug deep and really took your Father's Day gift up a gear. Instead of giving him more socks, you could knock his socks off. Maybe it's with the father of all pool slides, making his yard your whole family's favourite place. Or the father of all robotic pool cleaners, creating the kind of shimmer he can be proud of. Or the father of all LED lights, showing off his best asset. The right gift could unlock everything your dad deserves and doesn't expect. So do something out of the ordinary this Father's Day and do what Dad won't. Spoil him. Visit poolandspawarehouse.com.au and use the code LUCKYDAD for 10% off store-wide, plus free shipping. This is your chance to make him feel damn special.